Sometimes, employers worry that an employee with a disability will bring more personal and performance problems to the workplace than other workers. Some also feel uncomfortable talking with the employee about the problems when they do occur. This video will provide you with what you need to know when supervising an employee with a disability.
Many of us feel uncomfortable about the topic of disability. In the face of this discomfort, employers sometimes lose sight of the fact that a disability is only one characteristic of an individual, overlooking the valuable work skills the person has to offer. In addition, employers often anticipate that an employee who has a disability will be more difficult to supervise than one who does not. In truth, employers have to manage performance and people problems with all employees.
If you find you have to address a disability-related issue, the employee with a disability will usually have valuable information regarding what will help him or her to meet job standards. Sometimes accommodations, adjustments in how work is done may be needed by the worker with a disability. This may mean using different tools or equipment, altering the flow of work, or changing how the person is trained to perform the job. An accommodation should not compromise performance standards.
It is important to remember that employees with disabilities often will need no accommodations. Once job accommodations are in place, the principles of managing performance are the same as for all employees. Positive reinforcement, clear feedback, and consistent policies. Seek technical assistance regarding various types of accommodations if needed. There are multiple sources of technical assistance available at the state and national level.
All employees should know the standards by which their performance is evaluated. Employees who have disabilities are no exception. When subjective judgments of quality are a problem, an appropriate accommodation may be to devise a clear, objective description of the performance quality that is desired. However, employers are not required to hire or retain individuals who are not able to meet qualitative or quantitative standards, with or without accommodations.
Employers should not treat the personal problems of workers with disabilities any differently from the way the problems of other employees are handled. If your company has an employee assistance program, this service can be a valuable resource for workers with disabilities too. When addressing performance problems, it is important to follow the guidelines established by your company or follow these general guidelines. Establish clear standards of performance. Be explicit about expectations. Define quality in terms of specific behaviors and standards. Describe consequences of inadequate performance. If problems arise, analyze the situation to determine issues that must be addressed. Meet with the employee and state the issue clearly and precisely. Use facts and documentation to support your statement of the issues. Describe the impact of the issue. State clearly how behavior and performance must change to resolve the situation. State the consequences if the problem is not resolved. Allow the employee to respond to your concerns and to provide additional information. Use open-ended questions and active listening to arrive at possible solutions. For example, say, describe what you think might work. Agree on a time frame for follow-up and describe how you will monitor progress. End the meeting on a positive note. Document the results of the meeting.
Additional information regarding applying performance and conduct standards to persons with disabilities can be found on the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission's website.